Supplementary angles, angles which sum to 180 degrees. Complementary angles are angles which sum to 90 degrees, and supplementary angles are angles which sum to 180 degrees. To better picture supplementary angles, imagine a straight angle, which is a straight line, which has an angle measure of 180 degrees. Now pick any point on the straight line and draw an imaginary ray. The new ray splits up the 180-degree angle into two angles. The two angles are called, quote, supplementary angles, end quote, because they sum to 180 degrees. While it may be easier to picture two or more angles which add up to 180 degrees being adjacent angles, supplementary describes a relationship where two or more angles sum to 180 degrees. Antonyms: complementary angles. Related words: adjacent angles, straight angle, sum.